Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best toddler jewelry is probably one of the most delightful ways to add a touch of sparkle and personality to your little one's outfits, offering a charming and age-appropriate way for them to express themselves through adorable accessories that are both fun and fashionable, making every day feel a little more special and magical for your growing child. Number 5. PinkSheep Little Girl Jewel Rings in Box. Introducing a delightful set of jewel rings designed just for your little princess. Each ring is beautifully crafted to add a touch of magic to her playtime. These rings are adjustable, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit for tiny fingers. They grow with your child, providing endless fun. Discover a collection of 24 lovely and unique designs, with absolutely no duplicates. Your child will love exploring each distinct and charming piece. Perfect for pretend play and dress-up adventures, these rings will inspire creativity and imagination. Let her imagination run wild with these enchanting accessories. Each set comes presented in a charming box, making it an ideal gift for birthdays or any special occasion. It's ready to delight right out of the package. Watch her eyes light up as she adorns herself with these dazzling jewels. They are the perfect way to add a touch of glamour to any dress-up session. What we like? If you're looking for a variety of pretend play rings, this set is a fantastic choice. It offers a wide selection with no duplicates, ensuring endless fun for dress-up and imaginative games. The adjustable feature makes them perfect for growing fingers. What people say? The necklace is very delicate and pretty, perfect for a little girl. The bracelet is adjustable and fits comfortably on my daughter's wrist. The set comes with a necklace, bracelet, and earrings, all matching beautifully. Number 4. PinkSheep Little Girl Jewel Rings, 30 pieces. Introducing a dazzling collection of 30 jewel rings, perfect for your little one's imagination. Each ring is designed to add a touch of sparkle to any occasion. Let their creativity run wild with a variety of unique designs. With no duplicates in this set, every ring offers a fresh new look for endless pretend play. These rings are designed to fit comfortably on little fingers. The adjustable feature ensures a perfect fit as they play dress-up and explore their style. Elevate their playtime with these beautiful jewel rings. They are the perfect accessory for dress-up, tea parties, or any imaginative adventure. Everything comes neatly organized in a charming box, making it easy to store and carry. It's a wonderful surprise waiting to be opened. Surprise the little fashionista in your life with this delightful set. It's a wonderful gift that encourages creativity and hours of joyful play. What we like? For a slightly larger collection of sparkling pretend play rings, this option is ideal. It provides even more variety and the same adjustable, non-duplicating features for hours of creative fun. It's perfect for little ones who love to mix and match their accessories. What people say? The necklace is adjustable, making it perfect for growing toddlers. The bracelet features a secure clasp that is easy for little hands to manage. The charms are well made and don't have sharp edges, ensuring safety for young children. Number 3. PinkSheep Kids Classic Jewelry Sets. Looking for a special gift for a young girl? Our jewelry sets are a fantastic choice for birthdays, holidays, or just because. They're perfect for adding a touch of sparkle to any occasion. These sets feature a charming large bead design with sweet pink and rainbow colors, accented by lovely flower details. They're designed to be lively and complement any outfit. Amazing value with this pack, which includes 6 complete sets of necklaces and bracelets. Everything comes beautifully presented in a gift box, ready to be cherished. Crafted from high-quality, eco-friendly materials, these pieces are safe for little ones. They are designed to be durable, easy to wear, and comfortable for daily use. These adorable jewelry sets are perfect for children aged 3 to 8. They make wonderful additions to party favor bags, pretend play, or any special themed celebration. These colorful necklaces and bracelets are not only fun to wear but also great for sharing with friends. Encourage creativity and friendship with these delightful accessories. What we like? If you need a complete jewelry set for a young child, this is a wonderful option. It includes multiple necklace and bracelet combinations made from safe, high-quality materials, perfect for everyday wear or special occasions. It's a great choice for party favors or a thoughtful gift. What people say? This is a great starter set for a toddler. The jewelry is very durable and has held up well to a toddler's rough play. The designs are cute and age-appropriate, with no small parts that could be a choking hazard. Number 2. BIRANCO Pop Beads Jewelry Making Kit. Discover a world of imagination with over 520 colorful snap beads. This kit includes various shapes, sizes, and designs, plus extra hairbands, all in a convenient pink storage box. Let her create endless possibilities. Looking for a unique gift? This is perfect for birthdays and holidays, helping to boost her creative thinking and practical skills. She can design and make any jewelry she dreams of. Designed for ages 3 to 8 and up, these beads connect simply by snapping them together. No need for threads, making crafting easy and fun for little hands. Enjoy a wide variety of styles. Toddlers will love how simple it is to snap these beads together. Even better, they can easily pull them apart to redesign their creations again and again. The fun never stops. Crafted from high-quality plastic, these beads meet international safety standards. Give the gift of safe, engaging fun for birthdays, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and any special occasion. What we like? For the budding designer who loves to create, this jewelry making kit is a dream come true. With hundreds of snap beads in various shapes and colors, it encourages creativity and fine motor skills without the need for adult supervision. It's perfect for kids who enjoy hands-on crafting and making unique pieces. What people say. The necklace is adjustable, making it perfect for growing toddlers. The clasp is easy for little fingers to open and close, promoting independence. The charms are securely attached and don't easily fall off, ensuring durability. Number 1. Eaciy Colorful Initial Necklaces. Introducing Eaciy's vibrant collection of initial necklaces, perfect for adding a personal touch to any outfit. These trendy beaded chokers are designed to be a stylish accessory for girls and women of all ages. Each necklace features a unique beaded design, making them a fashionable choice for teens and young adults. Express yourself with these eye-catching letter chokers. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These dainty initial necklaces are ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just because. They're a sweet way to show you care. From kids to adults, these necklaces are designed to be cherished. They offer a delicate and personalized style that complements any jewelry collection. Enjoy the popular choker style with a personalized twist. These necklaces sit comfortably, adding a pop of color and individuality to your look. Surprise the special girl or woman in your life with a beautiful initial necklace. It's a trendy and meaningful piece of jewelry she'll love to wear every day. What we like? If you're looking for a personalized and stylish accessory, consider this initial necklace. It's a trendy, dainty piece that can be customized with a specific letter, making it a thoughtful gift for teens and girls. It's perfect for adding a personal touch to any outfit. What people say. The necklace is adjustable, making it perfect for growing toddlers. The clasp is easy for little hands to open and close, promoting independence. The charm is small and lightweight, so it doesn't bother my daughter when she wears it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.